Feeling worn out from the seemingly never-ending cycle of cleaning? Craving that elusive break? Well, that's where the story of Take a Break begins. Over 2 decades ago, a simple idea germinated to offer a cleaning service that would give people their well-deserved break. Fast forward 24 years and Take a Break has blossomed into the largest domestic cleaning agency in northeast England. A journey that started with a single cleaner has now expanded to a vast network of over 160 cleaners. Our cleaners span the entire length and breadth of northeast England, from the northern reaches of Gateshead, west to the rustic villages surrounding Durham, south to the quaint town of Yarm, and east to the bustling coastal towns and cities from South Shields, Whitburn, Sunderland to Hartlepool. But growth hasn't come at the cost of quality. Take a Break is the only domestic cleaning company in the region recommended by trading standards. We're also on local council recommendation lists. Our cleaning standards have been verified by an independent company, and our cleaners are police-checked for your peace of mind. Not just that, we have a professional customer care team that ensures our cleaners continue to deliver a high standard of service to our valued customers. We offer regular weekly or fortnightly house cleaning, ironing, or a blend of both. Our cleaners are local to every client, and we provide holiday relief cover, temporary or permanent replacements, and extra cleaning or ironing for those unexpected occasions. With Take a Break, you get an easy in, easy out agreement. There's no long-term commitment, only 4 weeks notice to terminate. In dire circumstances, we offer immediate termination with a simple 1-month management fee. No other cleaning company offers so much value to its customers. So why not give yourself that break you've been longing for? Visit takeabreak.cleaning and discover how we can make your life a little bit easier. Remember, at Take a Break, we clean so you don't have to.